All right. Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing today? It is Tuesday, April 21st. Sorry I missed you yesterday. It was some technical difficulties over here. I couldn't get the microphone to record my voice. So it makes it a little tough to do these when you can't hear me. But I'm back today, ready to roll. Hope everybody had a good break. I hope you got to spend some time with your family. I'm sure we spent lots of time with our family these past couple weeks. I hope it's been fun for you. It's definitely been fun for me. I do miss coming into class every day and seeing everybody and getting to sit around and talk about what you did over the break and go into lessons from there. But I hope everybody's making the most of what we have going on right now. So we're going to get back to it. We're going to start doing our foundations again. Today we will go through our flashcards. We'll go through our sound card, large sound cards, talk about digraphs, things like that. And then we'll slide right into a little bit of dictation. And then tomorrow we'll do a dictation assessment, which we've done in the past in my class. And we will do I know Mrs. Hodgkiss probably hasn't done it before. And it's not really anything to stress over. We're just going to do it. I want to see how you guys did. And then maybe you guys can send me the picture back of what you wrote down. Just to see how we're doing. And then we're going to move on to a new unit. So there'll be some new lessons and new learnings to go over. All right. So for today, remember, just as a review, when we go over to sound cards, I'll try to use the cursor to point at them. But if you can't see where I'm pointing, you can just listen to my voice. And I will say the letter, the keyword, and the sound, and you will repeat it back. You might hear me say something like, be my echo, which just means repeat after me. And then at the end, we'll do some dictation. So you will need something to write on, whether you've been using your writer's journal or just a piece of paper. That's completely up to you. And again, pause anytime you need if you need a second to go get something. All right, I'm going to slide right into it. So let's start off with right at the top. A, apple, A. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. Let's see, where did that cursor go? O, octopus, ah. U, up, X, fox, x. C, cat, k. Now we have another way to say that sound. K, kite, k. And then down here with the S, remember the S has two sounds, right? When it's at the beginning of the word, as in snake, we have S, snake, S. And when it's at the end of the word, on the bottom, we have S, bugs, Z. Makes the same sound as, where'd that cursor go? There it is. Z, zebra, Z. All right, then we'll go, how about M, man, M. Good. Now let's switch to the next page. These are our digraphs, our blurry digraphs. Let's do all of them. WH, whistle, W. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. And last but not least, CK, sock, k. Now remember, WH, CH, SH, TH, they're usually found either at the beginning of a syllable or the end of a syllable, while CK is always only, found at the end of a syllable. No words start with CK. That's why it's always at the end of our list. It's the fifth one always. R controlled vowels, AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. And then ER, IR, and UR all make the same sound, right? They all we'll do UR. UR, burn, Good. And we'll bounce around a little bit on our vowel teams here. So we'll start at the beginning. Watch that cursor. AI, bait, A. And then its partner over here is AY, play, A. Let's skip down to OI, coin, oi. OY, boy, oi. And now let's take a look at our welded sounds. Our welded sounds are a group of letters that they're all separate letters and they all have, you hear every letter in it, but they just sound better glued together. So you have, start at the beginning here. You have, where's my, there she is. You have ALL, ball, all. Remember when you see these two slash lines, that is them trying to show you how it sounds. Now, in a lot of the words we're using now, the sounds are almost always the same as the letters that are in it. But if you go back a little bit, let's say, like WH, whistle, wuh. The only sound you're hearing is the W. So it's only a W in between those signs. All right? So that's a way to help you understand what you're supposed to be hearing. So how about ANG, fang, ang? Or ONG, song, ong. And we'll do one more. ANK, bank, ank. All right, now we're going to slide right into our dictation. So you want to get a piece of paper or your writing journal or wherever, like I said, wherever you're keeping track of this. Don't forget to send me a picture of it when you're done if you can. Some people have been really doing that a lot. All right. And I know I haven't gotten back to a lot of people on their work yet. I have to kind of organize it and get it together. It's been a little crazy in my house. I'm sure your parents are trying to do their job and be the parent at the same time. Give them a break. It's a lot of work. All right. So for dictation, you can have your page set up this way. Again, pause it if you need to. And I'm going to jump right in now with our sounds. So the first sound, I will give you the sound and you'll write down the letters that make the sound. First sound is eind. Eind. Second sound is all. All. Now for our current words, these are going to be words with suffixes on them because that's what we're reading about and learning about before our break. So the first word is hunter. Hunter. And number 2 for current words is twins. Twins. We have a bunch of twins listening right now. And I have 2 twins in the other room listening too. The review word for today is mask. Mask. If I'm going too fast, it's okay. Just pause it. Usually if you have a Chromebook, I think the space bar should pause it. Nice and easy. The trick word for today is please. Please. And lastly, today's sentence is the van got dented in the crash. So listen for suffixes, listen for digraphs. The van got dented in the crash. All right, so you could pause that from there, rewind, listen to what you need to go back and get what you need. All right, I'm going to hit the button in about 10 seconds to show you the answers so you can see how you did. All right, so if you're not done yet and you have to go back, pause it now. If not, I will speak to you all tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Try and do something fun. All right, pay attention to what Mrs. Hodge and I are assigning. Make sure you sign into that attendance sheet, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.